Morning from another beautiful Lapland morning. Oh, boys trying to get out of the car. You alright, Lula?
Yeah, I've just done the annual argue 3 children into the car.
Annual or
Daily.
try daily?
Multiple times a daily, argue 3 children into the car and have a full debate about which seat and who was sitting there. And again, I've been relegated to the back.
Oh.
I've just chose it for easy life.
What mate have I got in the front with me?
And at least he's not going to check his speed in.
Oh, God. We had Herbie in the front of the car. What day were it? Not yesterday, the day before. He's out the car. What I was saying is Herbie gets in the front the other day and is literally watching the speedo on the sat nav. He's like, "You're doing 1 kilometre an hour over, you're doing 1 kilometre an hour over. Go faster, go slower." And I'm not joking you, it were like having the most irritating co-pilot at the side of you. I just literally couldn't focus on driving. So, and he's eating snow now, look at this. Give me strength. Right, I thought Mummy had put you in the car. Don't eat the snow. Because you'll get cold. Look at that. Honestly. Right, come on, get in the car. So what are we doing today? It's actually day 7 in Lapland. We fly home tomorrow. And we asked the boys, out of everything that we've done, what do you want to do again? And they want to go skiing and swimming. So we're just heading down to the ski slopes now. And we're all going to get a ski pass and head up onto the mountains. We're back again at Ounasvaara. It is a warm 1 degrees today. It's not even cold. Look, it's a hand. So we're just trying to battle the kids out the car now. Battling them into the car was a challenge. Now we've got a battle to get them out the car because they want to watch YouTube. We did the full day package at €105 for adults and €80 for children. That included your boots, your skis, your helmet, your lift passes and your poles as well. So like an all-inclusive package, and it allowed us to come and go as we wanted all day. Also allowed us access to the nursery slope too, which is always useful. Right, I'm having to go today. Right, so me and Annie are heading down now. Look at him go, watch this. He jumps like that, I don't know why he keeps bloody jumping. And now he's on his... Go on then. Quick dinner break here, and then we're going to have a go on the big boy slope. Here we are, look. We've got pizza, we've got chicken nuggets, and we've got a burger.
Neon orange.
And Posey is chucking into a chicken nugget. Right, so Herbie's studying the ski map, and this is where we're going after lunch. Where we're going, Herbs?
Okay, so we'll take ski lift B to get up. We'll need to dodge the skiing zone 8 and skiing zone 7. Skiing zone 7 is black, so that means it will be very, very tricky. That takes you on some big jumps, skiing of 7. So that's like pros. Then 8, little smaller skiing ramps. We're going on 6 green the easiest. So see these little dots? This takes us in to a bit where you can also sledge there. Just say please don't sledge. But then you can go around there if you want, or just take a turn. And then we'll end up here. It's just beside car park.
Okay then, shall we go on then?
Yeah,
What are you having, Miss P? Pizza? Is that yummy?
Pizza!
We're going on the big one. So here we are. Right. So we're going now to the chairlift. Now this could be interesting. It's Herbie's first time on a chairlift, isn't it? Here we are, look. We're on it, Herbs. We made it. Didn't fall off, did you? The mister was very kind and slowed it down for us, didn't he?
Now what we need to hope is that we're on ski slope, that we're on ski thing B.
6, yeah,
We're
we are.
so high up in the sky.
So look there, that's the little green one, that one. You can do that one. That's a small one that they're going on, look.
Hello. No, this is too high. Just go on your way back down.
Well, once you get up here, you're not going to be able to do that. Because once we get onto the mountain slope, we have to ski down, but we're going to go real careful, aren't we? Because it's your first time on a mountain. We're going to be really slow. And we know how to stop, don't we? Because how do we stop?
Triangle.
What?
Triangle or
Triangle or pizza.
Or. You can slide down if you think, oh right, no, I can't do that. You can either turn the other way to stop yourself, then bend them, and then dig them in a bit, and that stops you as well.
Guess what? Herbie has just been down a big slope, 1.5 kilometres long, and he did it. And he enjoyed it that much, he says, can we go again? So we're going to have another go. We're back from the big slope now, and Arnie has proper come on. He's been practicing on the little slope with Lucy, and he's got it. I'm going to go do a video of him now. Just something, the actual like the slopes aren't anywhere like Italy or out like that, but like you barely queue for a lift, and they're nice to learn on for sure. Definitely a good like beginner resort. I'm having a child-free go. Look at this helmet, it looks like I've got bloody elf ears. So just up here is where the kids have been doing the you know when they've been coming sledding on an evening. Just where they are at the top of the hill, that's where the little track is. Now, obviously, they're really close to the ski slope, which is why Herb were getting grumpy the other day when skiers were going through it. Were well funny. We're nearly at the top now. That is the Sky Hotel, just there where those lights are, right at the top, beside the end of the ski lift. So you can actually nip in there. If you're at that hotel, I suppose it's proper ski and ski out. I don't know about it with Lucy, actually. Ours is ski and ski out at the chalet. But you won't be able to get up the hill. You'd have to like walk back up the hill, I guess. Look who's coming up with me this time to try the slopes. Turn round. So when Daddy went up by himself this last time, Arnie were really angry because he said I'd forgot him. So I've had to come back and get him to take him up for a try. This is one less than Arnie skiing on a real life slope. Honestly. You can't believe it, can you? Unreal. Look at that. Well done, mate. Great work. Now it gets steep here now, so slow down here for me. At the top, yeah? Look who's coming. Just straight lines it. Snowplow! Just don't care. Yeah! Arnie has got a ski lift game to play. He's been a bird. Arnie, tell everybody what you think of skiing. What does that mean?
I like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
And tell everybody what you've done by yourself.
What?
Skied down the mountain.
I'll skate down the mountain.
Aren't you?
What mountain?
The mountain we've just been on. You've skied down a mountain. Did you not know? What? Where you going, buddy? Oh! Crash and burn! He's off again. Let's go.
Let me in, please, because you're a grown man.
Yeah.
Well, fatty.
I'm not a fatty.
Look how fat your belly is.
God, we're having a war because Arnie went 3 times and Herbie went twice, so Herbie's furious. But I'm actually so impressed with this as a little ski resort. Like, it ain't, like I said earlier, it's not like the Alps, but it's definitely fun. All the slopes are pretty short, but it's just enough, you know, for the boys to have fun. And they are proper, like literally 2 days and they're going. I'm so impressed with them.
We're going swimming,
Guys,
to the SantaSport Centre, which is down the road. We're walking and we might regret this hill on the way back up, but let's see. I hope it's not freezing, this pool. I hope it's right warm. Let's see. By the looks of this SantaSport place, you can do like bowling and all sorts of stuff there. I'm not doing bowling because usually when we go bowling that descends into absolute chaos where we chuck bowling balls around and fall out. So that's just the kids, not me and Chad. So we'll see if swimming is any better. Right, Chad decided that he wanted to look at some like log cabin things that we walked past because he thought there were them sausage cooking, marshmallow toasting huts, and then took us on a detour. So now I reckon
Some like rehabilitation centre.
we're at the arse end of the SantaSport thing. I thought it looked hospital-y. So look, SantaSport's there. Instead of coming at it from the front, I think we're on the back.
Coaches, comeback centre. Let's go up that top end and walk round up there. Oops.
Yes, Daddy. This is what nosiness has got you in it.
My schnaut's got us.
Right, we found it. SantaSport Centre. Hey, look. After that magical mystery tour, we're just an Olympic training centre, Rovaniemi. I was more feeling like relaxing splash about as opposed to Olympic training, but okay. Right, we found it. I'm not going to film the pool bit because there's people in it and I think that might be rude. Oh, there's nobody there, look. I'll just give you a quick glimpse. There's also like a little play area thing, look. I mean, I wouldn't be best pleased if I'd just gone for a little leisurely swim and then some swine put me on YouTube in my undergrathers. This is reception. Let's hope the queue doesn't take as long as the hire car queue did, because I think I'm still waiting in that. We're out of swimming. We're walking back up towards this cabin now. It was €27 for our family of 5, and altogether I think it was worth it. It was a nice little activity. They've all enjoyed it, but the walk home might have been a mistake because it was downhill going, it's uphill coming back, and everybody's legs are tired after swimming. What I will say is this is a cultural difference that I can't get my head around, right? So, where you've got to get a shower before you get in the swimming pool, totally normal. There's signs in the showers that's like no swimming costumes, which I thought, well, that's a bit weird, but I'm in my swimming costume, I'm getting in the shower before I go in the pool, so I just did it in my cosy, but there was nobody else there. When I got out, I thought, oh, I'll get a quick shower and then we'll get dressed. Everybody's in the shower stark naked, stark bollock naked. And the sauna, the same, completely naked. So I dodged the shower because I'm sure it's me that's got an issue with that and nobody else, right? There was so much nakedness in there and everybody was so close together and I could not have my naked body next to anybody else so close to like naked strangers. It just freaked me out. Like in England, nobody would abide by that rule of no swim costumes in the shower. Everybody would just keep it on, and you wouldn't find people showering naked. And then when you went into the changing room, right, you all be a bit discreet, don't you? You wrap your towel around, you slide your knickers up, that kind of thing. No, they're all just stood there. They just stood there. And I've got like a posy in my arm, so I'm thinking like I can't get naked and then wrestle with a toddler with my growler out. Like I just can't do it. So anyway, I was the freak in there that were like trying to dress behind my towel, and it's very naked. Like you are not allowed in the sauna with your clothes on. Everybody's completely fine with nakedness, and I'm too English for stranger nakedness. It's not the one for me. So yeah.
Herbie's decided for the last activity of today is going to be a snowball fight. But grenades inbound everywhere. Posy's just looking like, what the hell's going on? Me and Arnie are hiding from him. Right. Oh, Mummy is hiding behind a tree. She's there! She's there! She's down! She's down! We're playing capture the flag.
3-1, Snowballs get flag offers.
You peaked too soon, run out front tree, absolutely stacked it, did an army roll and got peppered by snowballs off the kids. Oh, no! Oh God, let me take the camera around. Yeah, get that. Look at my face. Just smack me. Square between the
I
eyes.
said no headshots. Oh.
Run, little boy.
No, no.
Well, it sounds like Arnie's getting a weapon. I think we should.
Go on then, get your best snow angel. Get her, boys! Man down!
Help me up so I don't spoil
Oh.
it.
They're devastated to be leaving, which is good but sad at the same time. We fly about 12:30 today, but Hayaka's got to go back at 10. We've got to check out at 10, so we're getting organised. I'm out of breath this morning, I don't know why. We're getting organised and we're going to get to the airport, hand the car keys in, and then we can chill out a bit and back to the farm. So we'll follow up this little mini series with a few little videos about Lapland, our tips, our recommendations, and all about being brave and doing it yourself and not necessarily picking a package holiday, because there is some real savings to be had. And I think it could be more magical. So thank you for watching. I hope you've all really enjoyed it. Until next time, see you later. Want to know one of the other benefits of doing it yourself? I've just walked up to take the sleds up to the slope and look there. So what a shame to be doing this walk for the very last time. Transfer buses car up now on the way to the airport, ready to set off to the airport. That kind of thing. And that is curtain. It ain't for me. On.
We're all packed up
Best
and in the
holiday
car,
we've ever had.
ready to go to take
no
the car
doubt
back
about it.
and go to the airport. How are we
The memories
feeling,
that we made
boys?
for the kids.
So
Unbelievable.
sad. Look, we've got a car full of very sad faces. How are you feeling, Dad?
I'm feeling really sad. I think we've had the best time ever, and I don't want to go home.